Drivers, are you aware that Uber made an error in the tax filings? Let's talk about it. Welcome, good to see you here. It's Joe time. It's also Ride Day Friday. And what we're going to talk about today is Uber's error in their tax summary that they sent out to all of us. Before we do that, however, I want to talk a little bit, just a little bit, about the channel. If you want to bypass this, I will put the direct link down below to jump right to the content. But I had an eye-opening experience yesterday. One of my former viewers, and the reason I say former viewer is I discovered that this viewer left my channel when I made the name change. We've talked about the name change. I'm not going to dwell on that. Basically, I wanted to get Uber out of my name. I wanted to expand the type of transportation I talked about, but make no mistake, Uber, Lyft, and rideshare are forms of transportation. They are about travel, so they fit in very, very well. I have not neglected or abandoned the rideshare topic. And when this viewer let me know that she doesn't watch anymore, she said, well, I unsubscribed from you because I didn't like your new content. And I looked back, and 6 of my last 11 videos were about rideshare. So I realized I've got to do something to help the people that are only interested in rideshare to focus. So I'm going to do 2 things, and we'll see how it works out. Number 1, I am going to release rideshare specific content on Fridays. And the new title of this is Ride Day Friday. And then what I'm going to do, if breaking news happens that you need to know immediately, when you look at the thumbnail, I'm going to have that box there that identifies that if it's not Ride Day Friday as being rideshare related content. Hopefully that will keep all of you subscribed, and you don't have to watch the things about air travel if you don't want to, but I hope you do because it's fun stuff. And you can also participate in the content that is rideshare related. Because this viewer did say to me, she was lamenting the fact that I left rideshare, which I never did. She said, you had the most insightful commentary. I'm still here, folks. So what happened with the Uber tax summary? I just started doing my taxes yesterday. Lo and behold, I opened up my email and I got this message. Mark, we made an error in your 1099-S for 2019. And when I was preparing my taxes, actually I have someone who actually does the taxes, but I have to put all the information together and give her all of the numbers where my income came from. And when I looked at the Uber summary, it didn't look right, but I just wrote it down and I moved on. Here's what Uber says to us. We're reaching out because the 1099-S tax summary for 2019 found in the tax information section of your account dashboard. So let's start with that. If you're preparing your taxes, that's where you are going to find the information. The tax information section of your account dashboard. Now, I also get it in paper. That's the one I actually used, was a printed out one that was sent to me and mailed through snail mail. The reported amount was higher than it should have been on these documents. Please disregard them, which in a way is good for us because we don't want to over-report. If you over-report, you pay more taxes. We know the tax season is a stressful time. We apologize for the added stress and inconvenience this may cause. Thank you for your patience as we correct the error. We're going to get to this in a minute. I did pass over one paragraph that says we're working to correct this issue immediately. We'll send you a confirmation when their updated 1099-S summary for 2019 is available, which will be no later than February 15th, which is tomorrow. It might be today as you're watching this. We will see. Now, they had a clickable link. I went to that link and it said the tax information section of the driver dashboard is temporarily down. So when I went to check, now I'm going to not be deceitful here. I'm calling this Rideshare Friday, but we all know you're watching this on Saturday. It's down. While our team works to correct a known issue regarding the 1099-S tax summary. So they say the issue is known, but it doesn't say the reason is known. That's a lot of drivers. That is a lot of drivers that this is affecting. Some users' 2019 tax documents contained incorrect information. Now it says some, which makes me wonder, did we all get this email? Or only those of us whose 1099 was affected? I don't know. That question I don't know. If the website is open to everybody, but the emails just went out to people they knew who were affected, or have they not narrowed that down yet? So they sent the email out to everybody. I'd be interested in hearing down below if you got that email. If you already downloaded the 2019 tax documents from your dashboard, please disregard them. Out the window with it. We're working hard to resolve this issue immediately. We'll send impacted users a confirmation. So it sounds like maybe they know who the impacted users are. I sure hope so. Either way, I'm going to keep my eyes open, both my mailbox, my snail mailbox, and my email box, to see if I get that corrected form. We know tax season is stressful, and they go through that whole thing again. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team below. And it says required. I don't know what that means, if we're required to reach out or you're required to just fill it in that little box. But nevertheless, tax information is important, so I thought I would put this out as a standalone video so you can all check and see if you were influenced. And make sure if you filed your taxes or if you are working on it, that you double check that 1099-S that you got from Uber. Make sure the right information is there. As always, I encourage you to like and share the videos. Leave your comments down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe by clicking my face in the corner. And don't forget to ring that bell icon so you know when I post new videos. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Mark, and this is Mark's Travel Time.